Okay, I'm going to introduce binomial probability. So the definition of binomial probability is the probability of exactly X successes on an amount of trials in an experiment that you will have two possible outcomes for. So this is the formula. The probability of X is n choose X, p to the X, q to the n minus X. Okay, so let's see how this works. Example, you flip a coin 20 times. What is the probability that you will land on heads exactly 15 times? Okay, so the formula says n choose X. Okay, so we're going to have 20 trials and we're going to choose 15 to land on the heads. What is the probability of getting heads? 0.5, and you want to do that 15 times. What's the probability to not get heads, aka get a tails? That's also 0.5, and that's going to occur 5 times. Okay, so when you multiply this out, in your calculator, this value is 15,504 times 0.5 to the 15 times 0.5 to the 5th, and it ends up being a probability. So that's a pretty small probability. Obviously, that is about 1.5%, right? Okay. Steph makes 90% of her free throws that she attempts. She is going to shoot 3 free throws. Find the probability that she's going to make 2 out of the 3. Okay, so we're going to have 3, and we're going to choose 2. So the probability that she is going to make it is 0.9, and she does that twice, times the probability that she's going to miss, so that's 0.1, and she's going to miss one of them. Okay, so that ends up being 0.243, so 24.3% chance that she's going to make 2 out of the 3 of them. Exactly 2. It's not at least, it's exactly the 2. Luke makes 20% of his free throws. He's going to shoot 4. Probability that he makes 2. Exactly 2. Okay, so this is important to understand that it's exactly. Okay, so probability exactly 2 that he makes. Okay, so we have 4, we're going to choose 2, and his probability of success is 0.2, and he successfully shoots 2 of those. His probability of not success is 0.8, and he's going to not succeed twice. So when we multiply that out, we get 0.1536. Okay, so when we're doing this, just making sure you understand that it's for if you make exactly X, not at least, it's an exact X. So P is representing your success percent, and Q is representing your failure percent.